哎呦，你看看，这船大桶，全是。
这是北太阳的水，瞅瞅都这样了。我们家1楼已经近半下水了，瞅瞅，瞅瞅，这是青龙。
Typhoons moving in from the western Pacific have increased the number of deaths connected to weather since July by flooding cities from Xiamen in the south to Beijing in the north. After Typhoon Doksuri flooded the area with the most rain to hit the city in 140 years since records began, the number of people killed by flooding in the capital tripled to 105 on Wednesday. 35 people are still missing, more than 300,000 homes have been damaged, and more than 17,000 hectares of cropland have been inundated. Between the evening of July 29 and the morning of the 2nd of August, Beijing received 74.48 centimeters of rain, which is more than the average annual rainfall.
74.48 centimeters of rainfall between the evening of July 29 and the morning of August 2. More than what normal.
Prefecture in Hebei, China, was severely flooded, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Of the 17 confirmed fatalities, 15 people are still listed as missing. Numerous large agricultural fields and thousands of dwellings have been severely damaged by the flooding. More than 4,448 dwellings have entirely collapsed, while an additional 7,286 homes have sustained substantial damage, making the extent of the destruction astonishing. 79,000 hectares of crops have been negatively impacted, dealing a devastating blow to the local agricultural industry. Food security in the area and farmer livelihoods are now at danger. Important infrastructure has not been spared by the floods. Over 550 kilometers of rural roads are now impassable, and a total of 284 bridges have been washed away.
Baden Prefecture in Hebei, China, has been hit by catastrophic floods, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The grim toll includes 17 confirmed deaths, with 15 individuals still reported missing. The floodwaters have wreaked havoc on thousands of homes and extensive agricultural lands.
你看看，你看看这水，哎呀，吓死人！
带到了。半个小时，半个小时。
对对。